So, Kenneth. Kim. Kim, hawak.
Ayun ko na. Nanginginig ako.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, siya. Morning, children. Good evening. Have you ever wished to be someone? To be a president of the Philippines? To be a prince? To be a prince of Rapunzel? To be a robot? To be a unique robot? If yes, then you will like this story. This story was entitled Wishing Back. I am a 7-year-old boy who was fond of being to be someone. One night, I had a dream. I dreamed I was walking along the beach. I found something. It's weird, it's beautiful, and it's some words written at the top. Wishing Back. Yes, it was a wishing box. I opened the box, closed my eyes, and made a wish. I wish I could be a president of the Philippines. Then, a smoke came out and made me shiver. I saw myself standing at the Malacanang Palace when my cell phone dropped. Toot, 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 toot. Hello, Garci. Mr. President, what can you say about the rapid increase of oil, the bombing there of the terrorists, and about the city broadband scandal still? I paused for a while and said, I am sorry. I closed my eyes again, opened my back, and made me another wish. I don't want to be a president anymore. I wish I could be a prince, a charming prince of Rapunzel. Then, a smoke came out and made me shiver. I saw myself standing at the front of the tower. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, put down your hair. Then, a long white hair fell down at the top of the tower. Then I climbed, until I reached the top. An old woman staring at me smiled and said, my friend, my charming friend, I'm glad you came. I've been waiting for you at this moment. I'm looking for Rapunzel. Where is she? I am Rapunzel. But you're not Rapunzel. I am. Thousands of years ago. How me, my friend. She's about to hug me when I turned around, opened my back, and made my another wish. I closed my eyes. I don't want to be a prince anymore. I wish I could be a robot. A unique robot who can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Then, smoke came out and made me shiver. I saw myself covered with a white blanket at the middle of the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the great invention of Japan, a robot who can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. My dear robot, please introduce yourself. I am a robot, a unique robot who can work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. I can make the best manicure, pedicure, and hair relax. What? Destroy that fake robot! I made this robot for my car factory, not for salute. Destroy that! This man was about to destroy me when I turned around and ran. I opened the box and made another wish. I don't want to be a robot anymore. I wish I could be a normal boy again. Then, the smoke came out and made me shiver. I saw myself holding my fantasy book, lying on my bed. Thank God, it was only a dream that made me realize and appreciate the real me. Wishing back.